Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to invite someone to your Dropbox folder. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in. If you don't know how to log in or are facing any issues, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to share a folder. Let's simply say I want to invite someone to this exact folder, that is test 2. Well, here is how you can do it. Simply hit on the share button right here, just hover over the application or folder and hit on the share button. And as you can see, something like this will open up. Simply enter the email address or name of the person that you want to invite, and do note that anyone with the link can edit or view. It's up to you to change the settings. I'm gonna enter their email address right now. As you can see, I have entered the email address. Now I am just going to click outside. Do note that you have the option to add a note as well, though it is optional. Once everything's okay, simply hit on share folder. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the folder has been shared. Once the person has joined the folder, he or she can access the contents of this folder as well. And guys, that's it. That's how we share a folder to someone or invite someone to a folder in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.